Hello everyone and welcome to How To Experts. In this video, I will show you how to fix Steam E84 error code. Steam something went wrong while attempting to sign you in. To start, open your internet browser and head on over to store.steampower.com, then select Login on the upper right. In here, you're going to select Help, I can't sign in. Then select I forgot my Steam account name or password. Then in here, enter your email address or your phone number, the one that's binded to your Steam account. In here, verify yourself that you are not a robot. Once you are done with the verification, select Search. Then in here, select the first option that says Email an account. Now the next step is to open another tab, and then on the other tab, you will need to look for the email binded, so that you'll be able to get the code or the link. You can easily go to gmail.com. Once you are now in Gmail, head on over to your inbox and look for the email sent by Steam. Then in here, select the button that says Resume Recovery. On the first option, select Reset My Password. Then in here, input your new password and then re-enter your new password and then click on the button that says Change Password. Make sure that this is the account that you are wanting to change passwords with. Once you are now done, press the Windows plus R key on your keyboard. And then, once you do that, the Run window will appear. This one over here. In the search bar, type in temp, then select OK. On the temp folder, Ctrl A plus everything or select everything and then delete. Now run the Run application once again, but this time you are going to be typing in %temp%, then click OK. Do the same thing as before, Ctrl A everything and then press delete. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.